Be kind and helpful. Many years ago, on stormy night, an elderly man and his wife entered a small hotel in Philadelphia, USA. Trying to get out of rain, couple approached front desk, hoping to get a room. Husband said, "Could you possibly give us a room here?" Clark, a friendly man, looked at the couple and said, "All our rooms are taken." Listening to this couple got disappointed. Clark said, "I can't send a nice couple like you out into rain at 1 o'clock in the morning. Would you perhaps be willing to sleep in my room? It's not exactly a suite, but it will be good enough to make you folks comfortable for the night." Couple declined the offer. Young man said, "Don't worry about me. I will make out just fine," and insisted the old couple to stay for a night. So the couple agreed. Next morning, as elderly man paid the bill, he said to Clark, "You're kind of manager who should be boss of best hotel. Maybe someday I will build one for you." Clark looked at them and smiled. Three of them had good laugh. As the couple drove away, they agreed that the helpful Clark was indeed exceptional, as finding people who are both friendly and helpful isn't easy. 2 years passed. Clark, who had almost forgotten about the incident, received a letter from old man, and enclosed with it was a round-trip ticket to New York, asking young man to pay them a visit. The old man met him in New York and led him to the corner of 5th Avenue and 34th Street. He then pointed to a great new building there, a pale reddish stone. "That is the hotel I have just built for you to manage." "You must be joking," young man said. Old man replied, "I can assure you I am not." Young man never foresaw the turn of events that would lead him to become the manager of one of the world's most glamorous hotels. The old man's name was William Waldorf Astor, and that magnificent structure was the original Waldorf Astoria Hotel.